Hello everyone, welcome back to Seaman Health Club channel. Today I am here to tell you about IMO's circular letter number 4254 which was dated on 7 April 2020. So let's start. It is regarding extension to the validity of seafarers and state statutory certificate, periodical surveys and audits of Indian registered ship in view of COVID-19 outbreak. Many IMO conventions specifically do not allow extension of surveys, audits and inspections such as annual, intermediate, periodical statutory surveys beyond the window period and docking surveys beyond the period of 36 months after the last docking survey, and only allowed the extensions of renewal surveys 3 months under special circumstances. Similarly, the STCW 78 convention as amended do not allow the extension of seafarer certificate beyond expiry date. But due to the emerging COVID-19, IMO has taken some important actions. First, extension of service beyond COP, COC, COE revalidation deadline. The COP, COC or COE of seafarers who are currently sailing on board Indian flagged vessels and Indian seafarers sailing on foreign flag ship whose COP, COC or COE are about to expire stands extended for a maximum period of 1 month or till they sign off, whichever is earlier. Also, considering that many seafarers due to sign off are unable to do so due to the current situation created by COVID-19 and that their COP, COC, COE may be expiring and that they should not be forced to unnecessary sail on vessel on the pretext of non-availability of seafarers or sign-off opportunity. Second, also the Directorate hereby extended the expiry date of all STCW certificates and associated endorsement issued by the DGS which are expiring between 23rd March and 1st October 2020 for a period of 6 months from the date of expiry, printed or type on the relevant certificate. However, all those seafarers who meet the eligibility requirement for the revalidation may make an application after the lifting of the lockdown period to the MMD for revalidation of the certificate. Further, whenever the revalidation of the expired certificate is to be carried out, the new validity shall be issued for a period of 5 years from the original certificate expiry date. Third, safe manning documents and exceptions to SMD, where the ship owners, operators or managers need to sign off a crew member from a vessel due to port restrictions at some ports and travel restrictions and the ship owner's operator or manager is unable to repatriate them. Exemptions to safe manning documents will be considered on case-by-case basis. Each request should be supported by risk assessment from the company. There will be no fees charged for these exceptions and exemptions will be issued on email. Fourth, extension of mandatory service audits and expiry of statutory certificates. Consideration for the issuance of extension of mandatory statutory surveys, inspection and DOC, SMC, MLC, ISPS audit for a maximum period of 3 months under force majeure due to COVID-19 situation will be granted provided necessary justification submitted for approval. For extension of request for DMC, SMC, MLC, ISPS and inspection, the application need to be submitted much before the due date of inspection or audit or expiry date of concerned statutory certificate in order to avoid issues arising out of PSC. There will be no fees charged for these extensions and extensions will be issued on email. Fifth, insofar as extension of dry docking surveys, periodical annual renewal surveys are concerned, if practical, the class may carry out necessary inspections for the purpose of the proposed extension of surveys. If the class is finding it impractical to carry out certain instructions due to the prevailing condition in various ports or countries, they may issue the requested survey extension with proper justification. After obtaining an undertaking from the master of the vessel for the satisfactory condition of the vessel and verification of the survey records deemed appropriate. For extension of service, the online payment of the applicable fees as being done currently shall continue. Sixth, in order to avoid misuse of the aforesaid relaxation, the ship owner or manager will have to keep the record to be verified during the next scheduled audit of the ship or company, and the penal action may be initiated if found and unjustified. There is no need to approach the DGS for any confirmation email of extension, but may retain a copy of this order on board for the guidance of officials should it be required. The validity of this order will be reviewed as the situation on spread check of COVID-19 unfolds. Thank you. Maybe this information is helpful to you. Stay safe.